Good morning. How are you, living environment students? It's Ms. Vaders coming at you from home. This is leading into our Making Connections lab. On Google Classroom, we have 4 things. What we want to focus on now, because the rest is pretty self-explanatory, is this document, Making Connections Lab Data. Click on it, it opens up. In order for you to fill it out, you're going to have to open with Google Docs. And I want you to look at this first. It looks good. Graph is here. Okay, our data table is here. But when you open this with Google Docs, it gets all mucked up. Not my fault. Okay, so our data table is fine. But you can see that for some reason it's added a ton of space in here. Go ahead and just like delete that. Delete. Okay, to move that whole table up, and then you need to delete a whole, I don't know why it put all this space in here. There we go. And then you can even backspace to put that in the middle. So now we have our histogram. So this is pretty self-explanatory. During lab, we're going to take our pulse. We're going to do it for a 20-second count. I will keep time. All you got to do is count. And we'll talk about that during class. Or maybe we have already. That's a great thing about video. I don't know if you're watching this before class, after class, or during class. Not during class. Don't do that. Anyway, you put your data here. Not a big deal. There's space. Let's just say like 60. 68. 66. Oh, you know what? Oh, let's do this. Let's do 70. Okay. And then, oh gosh, I'm a liar. That's too high. Doesn't matter. So then we multiply by 3 and we get 180, etc., etc., etc. And then we add up, divide by 3 to get your average value. And that you're going to report back to class. If you saw, there is a Jamboard, and you will put your average value on the Jamboard so that everybody can see that, because we need to get class data. Okay. Less than 51, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and greater than 90 are the categories for our class data. And then this class data gets put onto the histogram. And so I want to talk a little bit about that. How are we going to do this histogram? First, you're going to need to come up with a scale. And unfortunately, as things stand right here, right now, we're just going to have to put numbers in. You're going to have to figure out, can you go by 1s? Should you go by 2s? The problem with going by 2s is we can't estimate half. So best bet in this case is to go by 1s. I do have a way to do this using Google Sheets, and there will be another video on that. I will probably offer extra credit if you do it that way. Okay, so I just put that in. And then to draw your line, we're just going to highlight and change the background color on that. Pick a color. What do you want? Red? Hey, look, we've got a red column. So it's really, really simple. Okay, so that would be 13. If we want to show 5, we highlight this, we can go to 5. If we want to use red, perfect, we can use red. If we want to use a better color like fuchsia, we can do that. All right, and so you'll make your histogram. Everything goes here for your data, and then there is a Google form that will have your questions. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can email me at dvaders@schools.nyc.gov. or ask in class. Okay? Great. Hope you have a nice day, and hope you're getting ready for a wonderful holiday. See ya. Bye.